back to Ryobi UK. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video of the mitre saw r18ms216/0 tool. Right, without further ado, let's get it undone. Right, first off out the box is the dust bag with a zip to get rid of all the sawdust easily. Then we got 3 extenders. We got the instruction manual as normal, and then what looks like a small clamp. Right, get rid of this polystyrene. Right, so there she is. Now we've got to spin it round and we've got to put it on the table. There it is. I'll spin it around so you can see. First impression, looks great. Great handle, great grip. Everything looks good. Right, first of all, let's release all this. Take the cardboard off. I think it might be a case of looking at the instructions because I'm a bit clueless here. There we go. Well, there we go, there she is. Right, let's have a quick chat about this. It's the r18ms216. The 216 relates to 216mm blade, which in inches is 8.5. Now, a slight problem I've got in my mind, I hummed and hawed about ordering this one rather than a plug-in electric one, because in the UK and I believe in Europe we can't get the double battery one with the bigger, I believe it's in the USA you have a 12-inch blade, and we can't get that over here, and that's what I really wanted. If I am to get a plug-in one, I can get an 11-inch blade. So I ordered this thinking to myself that I'll make up my mind once it's here, do a couple of cuts, and if I'm really not happy with the depth of cut, then I'll change. I might send it back and change it. I believe the depth of cut on this, it does say under here, I'll have a look in a minute. I believe it's 3.5 inches, 3.5 to 4 inches max. So in my mind I haven't worked out where that's going to be a problem for me. I need to think in the next couple of days whether that's going to be a problem or not. Anyway, let's carry on, let's get it set up. Right. Right. First off, we've got to put the guides on the side, and I'm going to turn it on the side for that. It's the quickest way, I believe. I've already pulled out the pin that holds it in. I've already pulled one out. I'll show you the other one. Case of sliding it in, refitting the pin. Like that. And behind here there's a little screw in the middle there. There's an Allen key that lives in there and a screwdriver for doing that. Right, let's flip it over to the other side and do the other side. Sorry. There we go. Right, there's the pin I was saying about. Pull it out. Right, just place it in. And just relocate the pin. Like that. There we go. And we'll tighten the screw up at the back, just for now. Just keep it in place. Right, let's flip it back on its front. Now the front bar, same as the others. Pull the pins. I'm going to have to put it on its side again once more. right in here, this needs to be between the two bars. Can't have it further back, it's just going to be at the front. So place the clips back in. There you go, that's that set up. Right, flip it back over once more time. Oops, I wasn't supposed to happen. Right, next thing, we've got to tighten these two screws here. There we go. Right, last but not least is the clamp. And this is interchangeable from side to side. You've got a screw here, you undo the screw and it just drops in there. And interestingly enough, there's a hole around the other side, but on this one, I don't know if this is normal, there's no screw on this one, so you'll have to bring your screw over, which is a shame because taking it out is a pain. Right, last but not least, dust bag, which is self-explanatory. Squeeze the two pieces, put the dust bag on, and there she is. Right, there you go. That's the setup of the r18ms216-0 for no battery. That about wraps up this unboxing and assembly video of the Ryobi One Plus sliding compound mitre saw r18ms216. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at what she can do and looking at the features. So please join me in that video. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe and support my channel. See you in the next video.